Welcome to EcoOils tutorial, Key Considerations Part 2. For a visitor, a quite important role plays the larger area, the basic commodities, infrastructure and places of interest that it can provide. Accommodation. If you do not provide accommodation services, which is highly recommended, then you can have some suggestions in the area. Catering. Considering cooperating with catering professionals in the area who can bring the service at your farm. Craft art and museums are always a place that visitors like, even a cultural center of the municipality and craft arts or art shops. Historical monuments are always important and are connected with the place you are, so please recommend some to your visitors. Natural areas that you have in your area, such as mountains or sea, these are also very highly appreciated. Sport activities that you can suggest are like mountain trekking, running, swimming, kayak, or even horse riding. Cultural resources. Cultural heritage entails tangible and intangible assets of your area that are inherited from past generations in general terms. Try to get more familiar with the term and its contents. Traditions and customs in your area that are many, that are connected to agriculture and rural life. Another great part is architecture. Different materials, aesthetics and influences have shaped an identity for your area. Does a building in your farm have some features? Gastronomy is a sector that is on the rise for many decades now. If you can demonstrate a direct relation to your farm products, is a strong plus. If not, authentic recipes are always welcome. Music and festivals of all kinds that take place in your area are worth for visitors to know and to explore. You can even organize small events in your farm. Legal considerations. Rural agritourism businesses must meet many requirements at a legal and regulatory framework. Depending on the activities you will start, your accountant would most probably have to make some adjustments to make sure you are fully legitimate. Identify your local municipality or prefecture administration bodies who are dealing with the activities you are going to deploy. Information on the regulatory and licensing issues and opportunities as well can be given by them. It's always worth to contact the Ministries of Tourism and Agriculture too. A very important task you should definitely take on is the health and safety rules and precautions you should always have in mind. I cannot stress the importance of this enough.